الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رجارس واني سلامي خاصة بيرليدا انت انا كبدن تيم بنمو هداتين ما حد عساك بسؤال الدالي ملك على قلبي بوليدي سانا our chief guest waziri water and irrigation, our governor, PS agriculture, PS parliamentary affairs, senator, our hii kwanza kuwakaribisha hapa Garissa. Mimi yangu haitakuwa mingi na hapo Garissa County, na tumepata kwa effort ya project kama hiko kwa wewe, I don't think tungepata hiyo opportunity. Is there, the only thing we need is investment into that farming land. Wale wenye land ni wafugaji, former pastoralist. Tunaomba pesa kidogo sana. Hiyo program ya 1500 mimi mwenyewe nilishangaa the kind of crop produced in this county. Na tunataka production for our country. And we have the capacity, we have the ability, and we have the energy to do hiyo kitu. Bwana Waziri and your peers who are here representing the national government, he is in line with the government policy or the wale wako chini, food security. Those are the agendas that we voted for. The politics of development. We are not just blindly following William Ruto because we politics of development. Yale yote ame promise us last during the campaigns, he is delivering on them. And one of the hiyo showground, tuende huko tufanyie hii exhibition, and that day we will insist the president akuje na Bula Adey. Hiyo scheme imekuwa na tuna launch na yeye, so wa octin anaga dawladda kan soo dhisnay, dawladda qaybteenan ka helay. Regaris waa aragteen dawladda dhaqaalay keeneen, shaqay qabteen, waxaana filaynaa inay weelka noo buuxin doonaan. Garissa Farmers Network, a special thanks to the people who are leading Garissa Farmers Network, a cooperative society. They are doing a great job in bringing in and advocating for the people of Garissa farmers, and we expect inshallah PS utasimama hapa. Ile vitu tuliongea na wewe kwa ofisi yako, mimi na Amina Udgon, our women rep, tuki plan this event, wewe ndio utakuta kusema ile vitu umetuletea. Madaxda Garissa laga soo doortay kulli iskunahay, waxaan la aadna xafiisaha dawladda inaan ma aragta dadkeeni na soo doortay inaan u baahan tahay ma aragta inay garab isku noqdo madaxdooda. Udgoonna waxaan leenahay waa mahadsantay inta arrintan aan ka soo shaqeynayna ana la shaqeynaysa, waa mahadsantay. Marka waxaan hadalku ku soo gaabinay waa mahadsantiin dadaalka aad samaynaysiin sameeya dhalintiinana aad dhasheenna shaqadan soo geliya beeraleyda waxaa waaye maamooyin iyo duqooy baa ku haren waxaan rabnaa dhalintii reer Gaaris inay shaqadan soo galaan becsharadan beerahan ay soo galaan value addition ay noo sameeyaan insha Allah. Thank you very much.